The HEIZO 160A 3-in-1 welder is a versatile tool that supports flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding, making it suitable for various applications. This welder features a Synergic mode that automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feeding speed based on the current and wire thickness, simplifying the welding process for beginners. Capable of handling flux core wire and various welding rods, the HEIZO 160A performs well in both MIG and arc welding modes. With multiple safety protections and a lightweight design of only 6.39 pounds, this welder is portable and ideal for outdoor repairs. The package includes a complete welding kit with a MIG torch, electrode holder, ground clamp, and multiple contact tips, ensuring you have everything needed to start welding. Designed for dual voltage operation, the HEIZO 160A is compatible with both 110-volt and 220-volt inputs, adding to its versatility.